Hi everyone, welcome to the Amazon Mastery course. I'm super excited to have you here. Together, we are going to take you step by step through everything you need to succeed on Amazon. So let's jump right in and get started on your journey.
We will move on. The next drop down menu is insight opportunities, right? Let's dive into this one. As you can see on my screen, there's a little option returns and recovery, right? So what is return and recovery? It's a powerful data-driven section of Seller Central designed to help you understand your returns, minimize future ones, and recover as much as value as possible from return inventory. So we will start with the main, as I said, insight and opportunities dashboard. When you click on this option, you will see a dashboard. The dashboard gives you a high-level overview of your return health. You will see key metrics like your total returns, total return rate over a selected period, giving you a quick snapshot of your performance. You can also see your customer refund issues total, which helps you to understand the direct financial impact of returns on your business, right? So the real value I would like to say is in the detailed product insight. The dashboard identifies your top performing ASINs in terms of returns. It shows you the most common return reason, like size or fit similar than expected or smell, and it provides uh, like suggested actions to address the root cause, right? So this could be anything from updating your listing to provide clear usage instructions. Now, as you are looking at my screen, you will find a series of graphics that provides a visual look at your return performance. The return trend graphs, as you can see here, it shows you the visual history of your return rate, so you can easily spot trends and see if your return rate is improving or worse over the time. So the top five return reasons chart is another key tool. This shows you the most frequent reasons for returns across your entire account. So it helps you to identify widespread issues that may affect your entire catalog, right? So finally, the critical review rate, as you can see here on my screen, it graphs tracks the percentage of your returns that are tied to a 1, 2, or 3-star customer review. This is an important metric to monitor as negative reviews can significantly impact your sales and brand reputation. So we will move on this option. Uh, you have links to additional reports like FBA customer return page. This gives you an order level breakdown of every return and the voice of the customer dashboard, which provides ASIN level insight based on customer feedback. So the section 2 is the recovery tab, right? Recovery tab is all about turning your unfulfillable returns into revenue. The primary tool here is the FBA grade and resell program. By enrolling in this program, eligible return items are automatically inspected, graded with a used condition like new or very good. So then relisted for sale on the same product page. Uh, Also, it allows you to recover value from returns that would otherwise be disposed of or required costly removal order. So you set the price and Amazon handles the rest. So turning a potential lose into new opportunity for sale. So we will move on to the next option. As you can see on my screen, the Resource Center. Resource Center is your one-stop shop for detailed downloadable reports and tools that go beyond the main dashboard. So let's break it down what's available here. So the First option, this is not the report you can download, but it's a dedicated page for managing your FBA returns. It's a central hub with returns dashboard that provides both high-level insights and view of every single customer return at the order ID level, including the disposition and refund dates, right? So the next thing is FBA return report. FBA return report is a key which you can and report you can downloadable and it is downloadable and for your FBA business it gives you an item a level list of all return units including the reason provided by the customer. The final disposition of the item once it's proceed and at the fulfillment center, this is your go-to report for reconciling your inventory. So the next option is Voice of Customer Dashboard. What is it? The Voice of Customer Dashboard is it uses feedback from customer reviews, returns, and other interaction to provide a healthy rating for your product listings. It is an excellent tool for understanding the customer experience and identifying product or listing issues before they lead to more returns. So we'll talk about the next Fit Insight tool, right? Fit Insight tool is for brands registered in Amazon. So brand registry, the Fit Insight tool is invaluable, right? It sees and it use advanced analytics on returns and reviews to identify and help you to solve specific sizing and fit issues, which are a huge source of returns, especially for apparel and shoes. The next option is FBA grade resale report, as you can see on my screen. This is downloadable report and it is essential if you are using FBA grade and resale program. It provides a clear link between a return item and its new relisted SKU and condition, helping you to track your revenue recovery from the returns. So next one is liquidations transaction reports. The liquidation transaction reports is if you liquidate your unwanted or excess inventory, this report provides a detailed overview of the units sold, the fee paid for the services, and your net recovery from the liquidation. So the next and last option is removal order detail report. As you can see, this report is a crucial for any removal orders and you create. It gives you the status of all removal requests, whether they are for fulfillable or unfulfillable units. It's allowing you to track them from the moment you submit the request until they are processed, right? So that last, this is the setting, and the setting tab is where you can proactively configure your returns managed by strategy by enrolling or opting out for a number powerful program. So I will walk through each one. When you click on this tab, you will see the settings here, FBA return resolution setting, right? So it allows you to automatically issue a refund to a customer for FBA inventory without requiring them to physically return the item. So it can be a great way to save processing and return shipping fee, especially for low value items or products with a high return rate. Okay, so the next one is FBA return evolution setting. With the FBA return item evolution setting, you can manage whether Amazon evaluate your returns. If you choose to opt out, all of your customer returns will be marked as unsellable, which can be useful if you prefer to inspect and handle all returns yourself. The next one is FBA damage inventory ownership setting. So this setting lets you to manage ownership of inventory that is damaged by Amazon. By opting out, you ensure that Amazon does not take ownership of your damaged inventory, giving you more control over what happens to those units. So next option is FBA refurbish setting. So the FBA refurbishment setting programs allows you to enroll unfulfillable inventory. So Amazon can fix minor issues like damaged packaging and make them sellable again as new. So this can save your save you from having to create a removal order for a simple fix. It is a useful thing. So the next setting is this is where you enroll in the FBA create and resell program. By opting in, you can automatically recover value from your unfulfillable customer returns by having Amazon inspect them, create their condition, and then relist them for as used. So the next one is FBA liquidation. With FBA liquidation setting, you can recover value on eligible excess or customer return inventory instead of paying storage fee or having the item disposed of. Amazon will sell the inventory to a liquidator, right? So you will receive a percentage of sales after this. FBA donation. So donation is good. And finally, the FBA donation setting, it allows you to enable donation for your unwanted inventory instead of having it return or liquidate. You can choose to have eligible items sent to the charity and that type of organizations.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you are feeling inspired and ready to take action. Keep going, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video where we will unlock even more Amazon success together.